Hello pressure washers. I was just going to give you a quick how we do our soap tank here at our shop. We do this so we have 4 trucks running, and when you let your guys mix the soap, they usually don't get the mix ratio right. So what we did is all our soap is mixed here at the shop, so when they're out on the when they go to fill their trucks up, it is the right mixture. So I'll show you here what we got going on. So what we do is we have a 120 gallon tank, is this one right here. This one is 330 and this is 270. So what we do is we fill this one completely full with straight sodium hypochlorite, and we fill this one straight sodium hypochlorite. We use this one as our mixing tank, and we actually have these in being that these tanks don't have fittings on, or that actually do have fittings on them, we actually have a tank that'll hold 500 gallons underneath of them. So it'll at least hold one tank. It ain't gonna hold both, but hopefully only one leaks at a time. But this way it keeps it contained. So what we do is we take this tank, and this is our mixing tank. We mix our sodium hypochlorite in it, our detergent, which is roof knot, and we go 50-50. We go 50% water and 50% soap. And then we take roof knot and we figure out how much roof knot we need. And what this does is our mix is 50-50 with 1 ounce of roof knot in it per gallon. And the reason why we do that is so when our guys come back from from the day, this will actually have a tank. It'll actually have a hose in it. It don't right now, but they can pump this right into their truck. And the reason why we do that is we were having guys just putting straight soap in it and no water in it, and that's way too strong. So we dilute it down to 50-50, and we use this for our house wash and for our roof mix. That way, when it's in their trucks, it's automatically that strength. So you can see right here on the truck, we have a 100-gallon tank. 3 of the trucks are gonna have a 100-gallon tank. We're going to do a 4th truck, and it's not going to have as big as tank. These trucks can do roof washes and house washes. They all draw out of the same. We got 2 tubes that they draw out of. The big tube is for roof cleaning, and then the small one is how we hook to our downstream injector, which is right down here with a shutoff valve. So that is why when the guys come back, they fill their tanks up for the day and for the next day. Do they use that much? No, but one reason why we do 100 gallons is for the roof cleaning, so that way we can do 1, maybe 2 roof cleans, or 1 roof clean and a house wash and have plenty of stuff. But hey, that's all I have for you. Like I say, that's one reason why we went to it, is we were using a lot of soap. So we went to this so that we could cut down on our mixture. And what we was finding is people wasn't, originally we had straight in it, and then you would put water in your tank, but they wasn't putting the water in the tank. So we ditched that effort and we went to this way now. Hey, I hope you're having a great day. We will, if you have any questions, just ask them down below. Anything about pressure washing, I will get you an answer one way or another, whether I do a video or I'll write you back. But hope you have a great day, and hope you have a great pressure washing season. Have an awesome day. Bye.